Okay, a couple of things. I'm adding some new videos, including this one that I'm making right now. I will be putting it right up here in this first post called Welcome to Tynker Lesson 1 Video Tutorials. If you open that up, you're going to see a tutorial on how to do the Move Gus puzzle as well as the Alien Sounds puzzles. I'm also going to add this video here on how to get back into Tynker once you've been out. A lot of you are only on lesson 7 out of 10. Okay, so coming back, to get back into Tynker, once you've gotten out of it, all you need to do is scroll down to the actual assignment right here and open that up. Click on the assignment and it should bring you, one thing, you do need to select your name if there are other people on your account. Once you select your name, it should bring you right back here and it will take you to where you've left off. Okay, hope that tutorial helps and I look forward to talking to you guys again real soon.